Hi everybody, and welcome back to IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachael, and today we have a 20-minute quick speed run for you. So if you miss any speed or incline changes, don't worry, don't freak out, because we're going to have all that displayed for you to see right over here onto your screen. Then if you look over to the opposite side of your screen, you'll see this nice long progression bar that's going to show you where we are from start to finish through this whole entire workout. Really quick, double check you have a towel and a water bottle handy, because we are going to get sweaty. And if you're ready to get sweaty, look down at that tread, hit that start button in 3, in 2, and 1. Let's go. We start 2-5-3-5. Pick up the pace. Let's start moving and walking. Listen, this isn't a workout we're going to be here for a long time. We're going to be here for a good short time, 20 minutes. All right? So we're going to get this body nice and warmed up, and we're going to go right into it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different blocks. They're all exactly the same. It's 2 minutes in each block. 30-second increments. All you got to do is increase your pace by 0.5 every 30 seconds. Right? It's going to go by like that. You get a walk and recover for 1 minute in between all of those. So the paces are 5-5 to 8-0 to start. We end at 7-0 to 12-0. So every 30 seconds, you're adding on 0.5, moving and grooving. Walk, do it again. All right, rinse and repeat. Let's get ready to take it to a warm-up jog. 4-5, 6-5. I'm burping, sorry guys. 3, 2, 1. That's how you know it's gonna be a good workout. 4-5, 6-5. All right, so if you only have 20 minutes, I want you to tell yourself now, you are gonna push yourself like you never pushed before. You hear that those paces are only 30 seconds at a clip and then you move on. So you're gonna go faster than you've ever ran. Give me a little bit more pep in that step. We're here for 90 seconds now. So 90 seconds to warm up the body. Then you only have a 30-second walk before we start that very first hit. So it's a jog, a run, a hard run, a go fast run. So just like a sprint, okay? So those are the paces every 30 seconds. Shake out the arms. Fill up those lungs. A little bit more pep in that step. You got it. That's it. This is gonna go by super fast, because every 30 seconds you're doing something new. Every 30 seconds, it's gonna be like whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay? You ready? Yes, Rachel, I'm ready. Ready to work. Ready to work. Let's go. 15 seconds. You take it down, 3-0, 4-0. All we're gonna do is breathe in a few times, pick out that pace, and get it going. 3, 2, 1, 3-0, 4-0. All right, breathe a few times, like I said. 5-5 to an 8-0. Whatever you pick, you increase by 0.5 times 3 more times, okay? Every 30 seconds, you increase that pace. Breathe in here. Let it out. 2 minutes, we work hard. No ifs, ands, or buts. We go. 5-5, 8-0. In. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. 5-5, 8-0. 30 seconds. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep it up. You're almost there through the first one. See? I told you, it's got to go by quick. All right. Guess what? First one's halfway there. You're going to pick it up 6-0 to a 9-0. Add on 0.5 wherever you are in 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. 0.5 is a big jump, okay? You're going to feel it. It's not like when we go into like those endurance-based running that you just do 0.1, 0.2. You really can't feel it. This you're going to feel. We want you to feel it. We want you to push through. Get ready to do it again. 6-5, 9-5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 6-5, 9-5. You got one more. That's it. We go 7-0 to a 12-0. Stay here. You got 15 seconds here. Then we have one last one. All we do for the rest of the workout is the same thing. 4 more times. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 7, 10, pick it up. Bigger strides, bigger arm swings. You got it. You get a minute to recover. 3-0, 4-0, we walk it out. Stay and breathe. You got 10, 9, 8, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3-0, 4-0. We do that again. See, it goes by fast, I told you. Maybe the last one, you're like, this one feels a little longer. Oop. Oop. Now with this 1 minute break, it's gonna go a lot faster. We went right off the warm up, okay? Breathe. 5, 5, 8, 0 to start. 2 minutes, just increasing our pace every 30 seconds. You got it. What are we doing? Kickstarting our body, starting to melt away the fat, starting to release all that stress, working through it. That's what we want to do. All right? We do this 4 more times. All right, here we go. 5, 5, 8, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2 minutes here. This is a jog. The next one's a run. Then we go to a hard run. And then the go fast is basically a sprint for 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go. First one, butter. What does that mean? Smooth, easy, controllable, doable. Second one, not so easy. Third one, even less easy. Fourth one, not easy at all. That's what we're looking for. 3, 2, 1, 6, 0, 9, 0. Pick it up. Dun, da, da, dun, da, da, da. You got it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We work. We run. We smile because we're having fun. Let's go. 10 more seconds. We pick it up. 6, 5, 9, 5. Add on 0.5 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. You got one more after this, baby. Come on, stay hungry for it. You got 45 seconds left, then you get to walk. In 15, we added on 7-0 to a 12-0. Get ready, it's coming. In 5, 4, 7-0, 12-0, 3, 2, 1, pick it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're not tired. We're not gonna stop. We keep moving. We got this. 20 seconds. Oh yeah, baby. This before you lift or something? Or after? Or just when you don't have enough time? You only have 20 minutes? Here we go. 3-0, 4-0. Breathe. 3 more of those. Okay? Bad when you're in it. Then when you're done, you're like, oh, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so tough. I can handle that. And you can. That's the point, okay? Anything on these sheets, anything in these videos, you can do. It is your head getting in the way. All right? 20 seconds. We start 5, 5, 8, 0 again. We start with our jog. The butter. All right? 10 seconds. Oh yeah, I'm sweating today. We're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 5, 8, 0. 30 seconds on that clock. Pump it. Squeezing it into those abs. Right? This one's nice, like I said. We like our jog pace. 10 seconds, we take it to our run pace. 6-0 to a 9-0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6-0, 9-0. Pick it up. Right, getting a little uncomfy, but we can handle it. Keep moving. Try not to hold your breath. Try to keep that breath smooth and steady, soft and airy. Get ready. 6, 5, 9, 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You got 1 minute left. You're 10 minutes in. We got 10 minutes to go. That's it, baby. So, first one was butter. Second one was okay, comfy. Third one is, well, where are we going with this? The next one, full blast, full road runner. Get ready. 7-0, 12-0, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. It's only 30 seconds. You get to walk. You'll get to breathe. Then you have 2 more of these. That's it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. 10, come on. Don't stop. 9, 8, 7. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 3-0, 4-0. All right. I'm flipping the page, baby. I'm flipping the page. 2 more. That's it. All right. Your body is warmed up. Your body is ready to attack. It is ready for at least 0.1 faster on each of those paces. I think you could do it. Blip, 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 blip. I'm gonna wet my whistle. Maybe that fixed the problem. Or I just can't talk today. Whew. Okay, you ready? Do it again. 15 seconds. Starting with the butter. 5, 5, 8-0. Jog it out in 10. You got 2 more rounds. Look it. You are made for this. You want this. 20 minutes. Let's get it done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. You had 20 minutes, right? Maybe that's all you had. Don't get on this thing and just waste it. Time is precious. It's the only thing that can't get given back, okay? So, make every single moment count. Not just on this treadmill, off this treadmill. If you're trying to be a better version of yourself, let's do it, baby. This is where it happens. Put in the work, it's gonna get there. We go 5, 4, 3, 2, 6-0, 9-0, let's go. 6-0, 9-0, let's go. Come on. Pump it and work it. Maybe twerk it. Different type of class. I'm into it though. 15 seconds. 10. You ready? 6, 5, 9, 5. In. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. 6, 5, 9, 5. Got a minute here. You got this. 20 seconds. We go fast. We go fast. In 15. In 10. You got more to give. Let's get ready for it. All right? This one's easy. Let's get it done. 7-0, 12-0, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Work it. Yeah, it's hard. We're gonna get through it. 1 step at a time. But let's go. 1 arm swing at a time. And then you got 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3-0, 4-0. I know I missed a few numbers there. Sorry. Listen, 1 minute. Breathe. You got 1 last time. We do it again. We do it again. All you do is the same thing you've been doing. I believe in you. It's just a little bit more work. It's just 2 minutes of your life. We already did it 4 other times. One more. Why not? Here we go. 30 seconds. Big inhale. Bigger exhale. 20 seconds and we go. 5, 5, 8, 0 to start. What is it? The butter. Here we go. I always say that because when I say butter, I'm like, ooh, that's smooth, like butter. That's easy. Butter's delicious. Sometimes. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 8, 0. I didn't really start eating butter till like a couple years ago. That's why I said it like that. You love butter, you love butter. But I was like an anti-butter person. Didn't even have it in my house. Yeah. Now I cook my steak in butter. Here we go. 10 seconds. Delicious. Here we go. 6-0 to 9-0. In 3, 2, 1. We go for a run. It's a run. The last time we're moving. 90 seconds left of this run, of this workout. Then we get to walk. We get to cool down. So you know that. We're coming up on the last minute. Can you go a little harder? Point 1, point 2. What you got? Shock yourself. It's all right. We go 6, 5, 9, 5. Pick it up. 6, 5, 9, 5. Last minute. You're not even thinking about it. It's just work. It's just one step in front of the other. It's going by like this. You feel no pain. You don't feel fatigue. In 10 seconds, we pick it up even more because we want to go faster. 7-0, 12-0. In 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. 7-0, 12-0. Let's go. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3-0, 4-0. You made it! Last 2 minutes, recover, cool down. How you feeling? Feeling great? Sweaty? Woo, baby. First time you ever ran? Kudos to you. All right. What do we do? We're just recapping real quick. We did, what did we call this? Quick speed, okay. 30-second increments, just increasing our pace. 0.5 at a clip. 2 minutes each run. Right? So hopefully you pulled yourself out of that comfort zone. Hopefully you picked paces that were challenging enough. The best thing about these workouts, if you felt it was too easy, you can try this again whenever. Just remember the paces that you were running at. Just run faster. Again, a lot of stuff happens point 1, point 2. There's a lot of change. So if you start point 1, point 2 in the beginning and you just keep adding it on through the whole workout, you're going to feel a difference. Take it down 2, 5, 3, 5. So if you're part of IBX family for a long time, short time, you know we give you this little secret emoji of the day. Haha. What do you do with this? Whatever you want, baby. I like to tell you to put it in your notes. And then give yourself a goal. 5, 10, 15, 20 of these workouts. Once you complete your goal, treat yourself. Go get your hair did, right? Go for a walk in the park. Do something fun. Get a new outfit. But if you see somebody else post it, like it, or, you know, if you see somebody else post that, then you like it, love it, heart it. You know, spread the love. Let's keep each other motivated. Let's keep each other going. It's a beautiful thing, all right? Running, it's not easy. Sometimes you need a little love and support. And I appreciate every single one of you for the constant love and support I get from all of you guys and all your messages. I read them. Yes, I do. So you can hit that stop button in 3, in 2, and 1. Remember to hydrate. Remember to towel off. Remember to keep coming back. This is IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachael. 20-minute quick speed workout. And I'll see you next time.
Like a boss. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy.